Hello, folks, and welcome to your Friday afternoon WYDOT weather briefing and road impacts video. I'm Day Weather meteorologist Mark Hewer. We'll look at areas of fog and freezing fog and a little light snow in the south and especially the southeast tonight. Saturday morning, mostly dry for much of the state. A major spring-like storm, though, will impact most of Wyoming and the region Saturday afternoon through early Monday. Travel plans should be adjusted for Saturday through early Monday on I-80, I-25, and adjacent roads. Starting through this evening and tonight, increasing areas of fog, freezing fog, some of it locally dense, especially throughout southeastern Wyoming and on the summit between Cheyenne and Laramie. Little light snow and snow shower activity as well, especially on the higher elevations of I-80. Some slick and icy spots. Freezing fog and reduced to poor visibility should be expected. Few snow showers overnight tonight, higher elevations of I-80 and across the south central mountains. Likewise, from about Wamsutter on I-80 to near Rock Springs and Green River. Some light snow and snow shower activity and some light snow and snow shower activity down in northern Colorado and roadways throughout the far southwestern corner of the state. On Saturday morning, still widespread areas of fog and freezing fog across much of southeastern Wyoming. Some light snow and snow shower activity on the higher elevations of I-80. Some slick and icy spots, reduced to poor visibility should be expected. Little light snow and snow shower activity as well all around Arlington and Elk Mountain, and on I-80, again from about Wamsutter out towards Green River and through our southwestern roads. During the afternoon hours, after about 2 to 3 o'clock, expanding snow into east central Wyoming up towards about Douglas, including I-25, and then also roadways across southeastern Wyoming. Some moderate to heavy snow starting to develop as well as strong and gusty winds. Impacts the travel going to start to develop on I-25 and far eastern I-80. By about 6 to 9 o'clock, from Douglas on to Casper up through Casey and Buffalo, increasing moderate to some heavy snow and strong and gusty northeast winds, going to be creating impacts to travel. During the evening and overnight hours, we're going to be looking at deteriorating and rapidly deteriorating weather conditions across all of I-25, much of I-80 and roadways throughout this entire area. Moderate to heavy snow, strong and gusty northeast winds will be creating poor visibility, some possible whiteout conditions, slick and icy roads, and very treacherous to impassable travel conditions starting to develop. And Saturday night on into Sunday, going to have the threat of blizzard conditions here in southeastern Wyoming due to very strong and gusty north-northeast winds, 25 to 45 miles an hour with gusts of 50 to 55, possibly even some slightly higher gusts. By Sunday morning, I-90 going to start to see impacts, and that's especially true from east of Buffalo up towards Sheridan and from about Sundance into South Dakota. Over the course of Sunday, all of I-25, roadways throughout nearly all of central and also western Wyoming through the south and southeast look to be severely impacted by moderate to heavy snow, very strong and gusty winds. Travel will be treacherous to impassable, and we'll still be looking at a threat of some blizzard conditions. Impacts not only going to be found on Wyoming roadways, but I-25 into northern Colorado impacted, I-80 into western Nebraska impacted, I-90 into western South Dakota impacted, and these travel problems will last through at least Monday morning, March 15th. What are we looking at for snow totals? We're going to see some impressive snow totals, and these are total road snow accumulations, taking into account some melting and settling and also snow that falls during the daytime hours of about 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. 13 to 18 inches. Southeastern Wyoming, lower elevations, 2 to 4 foot drifts. 2 to 4 foot drifts going to be common across much of the southeast. 10 to 14 inches by early Sunday in portions of northeastern Wyoming. I-25 from about Chugwater through Wheatland, Douglas to Casper up towards Midwest could be looking at 12 to 20 inches with 3 to 5 foot drifts. The summit between I-80 and Cheyenne could see 2 to maybe almost 3 feet of snow. anywhere from 8 to 12 inches across much of the Laramie Valley, 4 to 8 Shirley Basin, 8 to 12 and 2 to 3 foot drifts around the Rawlins area. Arlington to Elk Mountain, and also down towards Wood Landing and Centennial, 10 to 20 inches, 2 to 3 foot drifts, 4 to 9 inches out towards Rawlins, 1 to 3 foot drifts, 14 to 20 inches towards South Pass and Lander. Significant drifting and snow totals also being found across east central and portions of northeastern Wyoming. Smaller amounts across the plains in the far northeast, and also the southern Bighorn Basin, 1 to 3 inches possible, and minimal drifting in the far southwest. Please plan accordingly, and this major winter storm going to impact much of the region. And visit WYDOT.info for the current road conditions and closures, or call 511.